welcome back. Now a look at the other happenings in the state.
Bhatikar Model High School at Madgaon organized an art fair 2012. It was inaugurated by eminent artist Viraj Naik. Let's have a look. It was held from 17 December to 19 December. Diocesan Society of Education along with Department of Art and Culture had organized Sharing of Faith Enlightened by Knowledge at Ravindra Bhavan on 17 December. Same event will be held at St. Xavier College, Mapsa on 20th December. Bhatikar Model High School also organized science exhibition on Tuesday. Let us see what our future scientists are up to. Bureau Report, Prudent.
The All Goa Karate Do Association had organized its first South Goa district level Karate Do championship recently at Fatorda. Around 250 boys and girls participated in the competition.
We are encouraging a lot of young children to get the standard national, as well as our students are competing international level also. So, and what we want that we have to make the standard of students make good.
What would you require to improve the standard? Meaning, any infrastructure ची गरज आहे काय किती असे?
See, we are having lot of qualified instructor here, and we have taken the training under Japanese master. So we are trying our best to improve the standard.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa. You can also meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.